Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Lately I've been doing a lot of slime videos. So today we are going to be baking one of my favorite things, baked oatmeal. My old baby said I used to make it for her family, and so I asked her for the recipe and she gave it to me so I could make it. I have been making it for a while now. Let's get baking. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is get a large bowl. Then mix. Then pour 1 cup of canola oil in. Pour 1.5 cups of sugar. And then 4 large eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now mix until yellow and glossy. It's almost yellow and glossy. Okay, it's looking nice yellow and glossy now. So now I'm going to add in baking powder. 1 teaspoon and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 teaspoon salt. 2 cups milk. I'm going to mix that together before I add the quick oats, so I can get these all incorporated and then just mix it up with the other. Okay, so now you gotta have a lot of muscles to do this part. So I'm just gonna add a little at a time. This is 6 cups in total. So I'm just gonna add 6 cups in and start mixing. After it's done, when I eat it, I like to pour milk on it and then mix it up and eat it. It's really good for breakfast. And I set the oven at 400 degrees before I started this video, so you might hear it beep soon. And I buttered a 9 by 13 glass pan to put this in. So yeah. Comment below what is your favorite thing to bake. And this is looking like baked oatmeal. It doesn't look that pleasant. It looks like regular oatmeal, but cold before you cook it, or runny oatmeal. So it looks really good. So guys, here's the consistency. It looks like it's runny and mushy. It doesn't look that well, but it will once it's done baking. So I'm going to pour this into the pan now, and the oven should beep pretty soon. I've already greased this like I said before, but I want to make sure you guys grease the pan so you don't get it stuck in the pan. This is actually a really quick thing to whip up. I just whip this up super fast. It just depends. As I get older, it's easier to mix the oats in, since the oats can get really heavy or hard to stir. So I'm just going to spread this out in the pan a little. It looks like baked oatmeal. So it's almost all flat. There's the oven. It just got to 400 degrees and it's about perfect timing. You can make this as your oven's preheating. Just preheat it, start mixing everything together, put it in the pan, and there you go. You can make this in just a few minutes. Now have a grown-up put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes and then take it out. yummy. That looks delicious. Yum. Yum. If you liked this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can see all my videos. Bye!